Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Independence Monument of Togo. This is the history of this country. It is his soul. As much use the word of the great historian African Alain Foucault, who said history is the soul of a people. On April 1960, after proclaiming Togo independence, Sylvanus Olympio inaugurated the monument to independence. This work was carried out by the French architect Georges Cousteau with the help of his brother François, as well as Paul Aye and Jato Monsino. The monument is as follows. For the form, he has favorite a sporting element that is like a bride. In the emptiness of the environment, we see a man who enlists himself, who frees himself, and this man represents the Togolese people. On the concrete rim of either seat, there are holes that should receive glass slab. Therefore, stained glass window to give teeth. This concrete makes day and night a certain beauty. Philosophically, this is so strong. First of all, every artist's work have to speak, have to communicate. It is the power of art. So, in front of this mess of concrete, there is one elevation held in a vase of flame of independence. This flame is only night the day before the essential event. One may wonder why a woman. Women are a source of fertility, so that all future action taken by the Togolese people will be positive and fruitful. Her nature as a woman embody the freedom that make generate positive action to Togolese people. So this is the moment where Togolese people will be free, because this is the new debate of Togolese. So after 1960, the Togolese people must take a new departure. Togolese in this major affair was firstly the legendary artist Paul Aye, and secondly Monsoli Jato. You know, in the creation of this artist's metal piece, he was specially responsible for looking for the stool on which the lady who carries the flame sits. It is a stool of Bassa origin that is only sculpted for this wedding of a princess, and it is on this stool, sacred in more than one way, which accompanied Princess Bassa to her new home, that the lady carrying the flame independence should sit. So exciting. According to the symbolism of the Cousteau brothers, the event of independence was as happy as a marriage, and just as the princess who, having recently arrived in her home, bring joy and happiness, that of the moment sit on the stool bring the life that must now highlighting the Togolese people in their journey of years. This is how the stool was introduced into the work. In addition, the silhouette of a man carved in the monument in mine. How was its design? I think a light was painting white, was built and lit at night. I was placed in front of a large projector, so his silhouette was projected on the wall, and the architect Cousteau shifted and then make the extension that was used to make the Clément block of independence. Of course, this is a great tourism site because the place is so attractive. The place is so beautiful. It is the place of meeting of every Togolese. It is the history and the memory of Togo. So every foreigner used to come here and discover the great history of Togo, and it is so useful to the future generation because it is it must communicate the memory of these people to every generation. So exciting. According to the symbolism of the Custer brothers, the event of independence was as happy as a marriage, and just as the princess who, having recently arrived in her home, bring joy and happiness, that of the moment sits on the stool bring the life that must now highlighting the Togolese people in their journey of years. This is how the stool was introduced into the work. In addition, the silhouette of a man carved in the monument in mine. How was its design? I think a light was painting white, was built and lit at night. I was placed in front of a large projector, so his silhouette was projected on the wall, and the architect Custer shifted and then make the extension that was used to make the Clemano block of independence. Yes, there are many countries in Africa which make my attention by the strength of their history. I can name here the great Gold Coast of Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. I can name the Senegal of Leopold Sédar Senghor. I can name the Burkina Faso of Thomas Sankara. You know what make me think very much in this creation? It is the short message of this creation, which announced during his inauguration on 1960, in homage to the people of Togo. By your faith, your courage, and your sacrifice, the Togolese nation was born. So, particularly, I think this is the beginning of a new vision of a new way to see anything. This is the new Togo. In summarize, this monument includes to all Togolese work, freedom, and fatherland. Thank you.